Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the effects in CapCut PC to make good edits. Alright, so select your videos, photos or audios you want to edit them on. And I am going to select as images that I imported, and I'm going to add the transition before. So I'm going to select 40 um, check transition and just put duration in 0.2 second and apply it to all the clips. Alright, so I'm going to select the effect to add the effect and select the video effect or just body effect. But here I'm going to select the body effect. So I'm going to select the um, alright, the chromatic. Just download it and add the right, sorry, just for the duration in the same line with the clip. And you can adjust for the option for the effect right here, and you can also add another effect just to as before, right? Interact, and you can see for the final result. All right, that's how you can add the effect in CapCut PC, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.